Talk to me a little bit about, you just heard Tyler going back and forth there with Jerry about whether this bad news is already baked in. Do you think the specter of a strong dollar is so new that it's not affecting these companies and their stocks quite yet?
Yeah, so Contessa, thank you for having me on again. So to directly answer your question, I think the answer is no. I think we're still in the process of digesting the move of the dollar, the potential recession we're going to see next year, the high likelihood of that, really. And so if you look at consensus expectations for the three names you mentioned, Alphabet, Amazon, and Meta, we believe that whether you're talking the second half of this year or 2023, we're way too high. A couple of days ago, we came in, lowered our expectations for the group, but for these three in particular. Now we're sitting somewhere like 10% below consensus for Meta and about 5% below consensus for Amazon and for Google or Alphabet. And the reason for that is twofold. One is FX. In the last 2 months since these companies guided, FX is already a 200 basis point headwind to growth that they didn't take into account. And the other is clearly 2023 is going to be a year of economic contraction, and our group is highly sensitive to that. And so we think numbers have to come down, and stocks tend to have a hard time moving up when estimates come down.
Youssef, you say that you're lowering your price target, but you still have a buy on Amazon, Google, and Meta. I want to be more specific here. Your price target for Amazon has dropped by $10 from $180 to $170. There's still a lot of upside there where your price target is. Google, you've lowered from $145 to $136 for your target, and for Meta, $240 from $260. Again, a buy. Who's best positioned to weather the currency issues and, if you're right, and there will be a recession, the coming recession?
No, that's fair. That's a fair pushback. So just to put things in perspective, we cover about 50 names. So those are 3 or 4. You didn't mention Snap. Snap is part of that as well. So I would say that Google and Amazon are best positioned. Amazon, you obviously have AWS that continues to grow around 30%. You have the advertising business, which has continued to grow at 25+%. And those are increasing component of the overall. Google, clearly search with 90% of the revenues being derived from that, is a steady eddy. It's a utility, even in this economic environment, or even if we hit the skids, frankly, economically, we still think that's still a mid-single digit growth business. Digital advertising, display advertising is a different story. And we think on a relative basis, Meta gets hurt more than these other two.
You mentioned cloud for AWS. I'm curious whether you're going to see an impact there from the stronger dollar, because even domestically, we already heard Netflix saying in this move to cut costs, we're going to have to look at how much we spend on cloud.
100%. I think you will have some deceleration, but on a relative basis, I think AWS is going to do better. Remember, the vast majority of AWS's revenues is booked in US dollars. So that's one. Two, there is probably more of a risk to AWS from rising energy prices, particularly in Europe. I think that people are not taking into account.
Well, thanks for raising that specter. That's another thing to think about. Youssef Squali, thank you so much.